Going to do a quick review on Tony Chachere's Original Creole Seasoning. We got this, I bought it probably about 3-4 weeks ago, and we've been trying it out. Got it, save a lot. I don't know what other stores might carry it. You'd have to check in your spice aisle. You could get your spices and herbs. It's pretty good. We had pork loin roast a couple nights ago, and used this one part, cut in half, fixed it 2 different ways, and one of the ways we fixed it was with this, and tell you what, it's pretty good. Everybody liked it, and ate a lot of it. That's pretty good seasoning, Creole seasoning. You get, this is an 8-ounce little container. Serving size is about 1/4 teaspoon. 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 0 carbohydrates, 0, and you might as well say 0 on everything on there. This is Tony Chachere's world famous Original Creole Seasoning is an extraordinary blend of flavorful spices prized by cooks everywhere. You owe it to yourself to experience how much it actually enhances the flavors of meat, seafood, poultry, vegetables, eggs, soups, stews, salads, even barbecue and french fries. There is no finer seasoning. Use it anywhere, anytime, on any type of food. Like I said, it's a pretty good little seasoning. Like I said, we used it. Our roommate's aunt came over, I think it was a Wednesday or Thursday. She bought a huge old pork loin roast over here for us to cook. And we cut it in half, and used this on half of it and barbecued the other half, and this is better than the barbecued half. It's pretty good. Everybody liked it and ate it all up. This is your Tony Chachere's Original Creole Seasoning. Like I said, I bought it Save a Lot probably about 3-4 weeks ago. I don't know what other stores I might carry it. You'd have to just check in your store's spice and herbs aisle, see if they've got it.